Hey, what's up, y'all? Mr. Commentator here, back with another video. You feel me? Another meaningful video with insight into the trading community. And today we're gonna cover a topic similar to yesterday, and that's the social media aspect of trading that's become really, really, really popular. And today I want to talk about again the TikTok community, because where else do you see outlandish ideas proposed other than Wall Street bets? The second best place to breed degeneracy, TikTok. And I came prepared. Now I don't have a script like before, but you feel me? I have my phone out and I searched up traders on the search thing on TikTok, and I'm under the users tab, and I can just scroll forever and ever and ever. Oh my god, look at all these people starting their own trading page. Okay, Loki, like after a certain point it just becomes random pages. I don't know what TikTok's on, but let's talk about it. So last night, yeah, I was scrolling through TikTok because fucking I don't know, that's what people do late at night nowadays. After I did some technical analysis on some companies to sell some options on, and I came across this one page, and it's called IPC Trades. And it sounds cool and shit. Like they got their own logo, and in their bio, like no hate to him. Like I'm just pointing this shit out because that's all I do, right? I'm assuming it's a guy because you see the shit that like he's posting, and just so I'm not gonna use. Let me just get to the point. It's a 15-year-old, yeah. So I'm gonna assume it's a custodial account, or at least he's paper trading. Sharing his journey. Okay, I do that too. And he's not profitable yet, which is where the problem comes in. So listen, when you learn about trading, right, you kind of have to go all in on this, okay? And I made the same mistake coming into summer. I had a list of business ideas that I wanted to take out before I went to college, but I wasn't able to do that with my passion for trading and continuously learning about it, like to better myself, my strategies, my returns. So now I've kind of, although I allocate time for my other ideas, it's not as much time as I would have thought I wanted to allocate before, school finished. So now I allocate maybe like 30 minutes to an hour every 2 or 3 days for the other ideas, while the rest I spend reading, technical analysis books and trading books to further increase my knowledge. Because when you learn to trade, and especially with the agenda that's pushed now on social media, that when you're young you need to learn something that can make you money right now, you need a high income skill. They always love throwing that shit around, bro. And so all these people, they make you feel like you're on a time limit, and I've fallen victim to it. Like I want to grow my trading as fast as possible. I'm thinking about going on using margin because I've developed a sense of, I don't know what to say, it's a degree of I have no idea what the word is, but like I know how to do it, and I know I could get to my goal faster if I had more money, which is margin. But anyways, back to this one example here. So in his bio he says he's not profitable yet, and that's okay. Not everyone's profitable. Shit, even now I don't know if I'd say I'm consistently profitable. Like I had a red week, like fucking on my second week of selling spreads. So yeah, I'm on the same track as he is. But here's where the problem comes, right? Now, yeah, I'm like similar to him in the fact that both of us make content about it. And yeah, I'm lucky being a hypocrite, but we're all being hypocrites, and I lucky just kind of want to hate right now. But like, here, let me just pull up his TikTok because right now it's just a screenshot. IPC trades. But if you go through his TikTok, yeah, it's literally like, let me just scroll through the first three. 2 hours ago, 21 hours ago, a day ago, and then those were all made yesterday. If you are consistently finding time to upload all these TikToks about trading where you show like all these big ass buildings, fucking the charts on, like, he only has one monitor, and you're making memes on TikTok. I mean, the memes are kind of funny. I laughed at it last night. and then you're making like these motivational videos, and then you find time to go onto CapCut and make like trading memes. All I'm saying is, if maybe the reason you can't put profitable in your bio is because you're not taking the time to become profitable. And the thing with all these traders is too, like, they're either options trading or they're forex trading, and one is definitely easier than the other, which is options. And forex, you need to know hell of a lot of shit about macroeconomics to do forex. Like, when we started the macroeconomics unit in my AP class this last year, I was surprised with how much it helped me understand like the entire market as a whole. I started understanding bonds, interest rates, banks, FOMC, like all that stuff. These people aren't going to learn that. You're not learning that shit at 15 years old. And you could make the argument, yeah, he could in his downtime, but his downtime is being used to make TikToks. And it's become a pattern that I've seen. All these traders on TikTok, they make their niche is trading, and they swear they make money off of trading, but they do everything but trade. I came across this other meme page on TikTok the other day. It's called cap/USD. I swear to God, this is the funniest page I ever came across. I literally had to follow it. Let me pull it up. The cap USD page, basically, they just make fun of like forex traders. Dude, like they, it's, bro, I just can't like put it into words. You just have to go and see it for itself. So, like, that's what I'm trying to say. Please do not follow these damn TikTok day traders. And like, yeah, I'm gonna take all my commentary shit onto TikTok eventually, because YouTube is just kind of hard to grow on now, especially with like my long form content. I'm trying to get into more short form content, and like, yeah, we all fall into the trap, but it, like, only you know where you're gonna go. Only you know what you know, and I know what I know, and you know, like, I know I'm gonna be consistently profitable. It's not even about the money with the content creation shit. It's just another source of like, it's not a source of income for me yet, and I'd like to make it that. Because if options trading is your only source of income, like a lot of these traders on TikTok try to advertise it as, you're gonna have some financial difficulties in your future, which they know that, which is why they're making TikToks, and which is why I'm making YouTube videos. Like, it's so ridiculously simple. You just have to understand that you're not gonna get rich trading cap and euro or Aussie and rupee. I don't even know if they trade rupees on forex, dude, or the fucking Mexican peso. So yeah, and it also got me thinking, like, you know, when I'm streamlined and when I'm consistently profitable, and when I can write down like a step-by-step strategy for my spreads trading, like, I would ideally like to, you know, register myself under my own LLC, my own brand. I've came up with a bunch of ideas. So when I was talking about like the other business ideas that I had like a couple minutes ago, one of them, I'm not gonna say it, but it involves branding. And, you know, last night I was working on the branding, and then after I finished that, I went back to like more technical analysis and charts. But I did spend like 30 minutes to maybe an hour on the branding, you know, designing it, creating some mock-ups on what it could be, making sure nothing is copyrighted, which it was, unfortunately. So I still have ways to go on that. But like, ideally, you know, I'd like to go away from Mr. Commentator and into maybe like, you know, some professional ass name. Register myself under like a LLC, tax write-offs, which I'm reading a book on taxes right now, because bro, 40% tax gains on capital gains tax, it's outrageous. So we gonna find a way. So I just wanted to talk about it because it's just funny to me, bro. Like, let me go back to the fucking, because I want to talk a little bit more. Hold on. I have a bad habit of like closing apps when I don't use them. Let me go back to traders under users. The daily traders. Like, literally, dude, he mentioned he trades with a 50. I saw one of Benjamin's video on this. He said he trades with a $50,000 portfolio while living in Beverly Hills with a G-Wagon, with a private helicopter, unless all of that shit is on credit and he's taking advantage of like good debt, it's not viable, dude. Even if I had a $50,000 portfolio, I don't know how much I could make. I don't even know if I could make like $1,000 a month, because right now I have $2,000 and I make like upwards of $20-30 a week, which I'm fine with, which is why I want the margin. So here, let's do the numbers. So if I'm $30 is very low, but I mean this week with the 3 trading days, I just entered another trade today. I'll cover it on Sunday or Saturday. You know, I've let me just start up. Let me just do my numbers. Let's just go with the really, really low conservative number of $30 a week, because I at least want to make $30 a week. So 2,000, all right, and that is, so I would have to multiply 50,000. We're gonna do the box method. 50,000 times 30. All right, that's 1.5 million divided by 2,000. So he's making like 750 a month with credit spreads. And yeah, okay, I know he's not doing spreads, but it's still like, you know, for the fucking on the spot analysis, I could go and do like a full analysis right now. Unless he's full porting every trade, brother in Christ, do not fall for it. The daily traders village, they have 42,000 followers. Okay, this isn't even a trading page, it's a fucking carnival. What is this? Traders Soft. Okay, this is Russian or Ukrainian, I don't know. Tactical traders mentality. Like, they have all these pages and it sounds cool and shit when you're part of it, but are you getting any real value? Because I've been in some of these Discord servers, because, you know, they were like pirating some courses, so I was like, let me get in on that shit. And I go into like the general lounge and they don't talk about nothing, dude. It's not nothing about trading. Fuck, they'll have like one channel for like screenshots for profit loss, but it's nothing like, it's not, you're not learning from them. They're just a waste of time. So I just wanted to bring attention to that, and I wanted to talk about it. And yeah, and if you're like one of the people that run those pages and you're trading motherfucking Forex, listen up, dude. You are not going to be profitable with like, oh my god, it's time management. And I know you're 15, so you have like lots of time until you're 18. And I don't even know what their goal is, like, because all these people do everything but trade, and then like, you're not profitable because you're posting TikToks, dude. Like, if you're trading Forex and you don't know about time management and like, you know, resource management, I have bad news for you. Like, it just all adds up. Not profitable, posting TikToks, posting motivational videos, making memes. It just speaks for itself, and it just like baffles me that they have followers and they get views. But yeah, this is gonna be my last time saying this, but I just wanted to talk about it, bring it up, you know, because I like to spaz a lot. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop any of your insights, you feel me? And I think tomorrow I might want to like talk more about Cap USD and Undercover Ace. You're welcome to visit their channels. I was watching some of their videos this morning. She was hilarious. But I'm gonna leave it here, so y'all have a great rest of the day, and I'll come out with a weekly recap tomorrow evening or Saturday morning. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Bye.